Brown bear. A brown bear baby and a black bear mama.
Where?
Up
While you
there.
were camping?
Yeah.
Did you get scared?
Well, yeah, I was like, but it was sleeping, and that little place they just like walk right through there that I was talking about, Brant.
Yeah.
That little place that you just like walk right through there. So I slept in the shelter.
Who found it? Who found the bear?
Some of my friends in cabin 1.
Really? That's scary. Well, what else did you do that was fun?
Well, guess what? They had that little game that they played. That you had to get like sticks. We won the game.
You had to get sticks?
Yeah, we had to get sticks, and whoever like got the most sticks to make a campfire gets to eat first. So we got to eat first because we won.
Was that last night?
Yeah.
Oh,
no,
okay.
at the camp out.
Oh,
What did you
okay.
eat when you were
That's a good game.
We ate, what are those things?
Packet meals?
Yeah, packet meals.
Oh, do you remember when Brant made that for us?
Yeah.
What?
We don't call them call them packet meals. They do.
Well, that's what Brant called them.
I thought they were guess what? I put all the things in it. I put
You put
corn
everything in it? You put corn in it? Whoa.
And then we had to put it in the fire.
Really? How long did it take to cook? Did it take forever?
Like,
Were you
5
so
to 15
hungry?
minutes. It was like 15 minutes to cook.
Really?
So did you like
So we tried
camping?
to make a huge fire. Last night they made a fire, but in that little fire pit over there, they made a huge fire.
Really?
Yeah, and then there's like a bunch of like little flower pieces going there. They're just like look like fire just flowing, and they turn into gray things that go in the air, then they just fall down.
Yeah?
There's a bunch of those it just like sparked everywhere one time when they were.
Whoa. That's crazy.
And there's like a story of Ron
Uh-huh.
and his that dinosaur. Ron and his dinosaur.
What about it? What's the story?
Well, that thing over there, that Indian thing.
Uh-huh.
That's it. Where's at the bottom of that, like when it just starts at the ground. That's where his head is.
There's a dinosaur head up there?
No, they just hit him in. Well, one time they were playing frisbee, and Ron, one of his dinosaurs like standing right beside him, and he was one of his friends were so mad and just threw him right in
Whoa.
the dinosaur's eyes. It was a T-Rex, so they have very
Yikes.
fragile eyes.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Yeah.
So, what about that battleship? What,
Yeah,
like-
those two little things right there, those two little things like in the middle of the lake,
Yeah.
that's the highest part of the sunken ship.
Oh, really?
Where outdoor living, where you make the fires
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the lake is, you can see it.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, if you look down at the lake, you can see like the bottom.
Whoa.
Like you can't see the bottom of the lake, but you can see some of the ship.
Whoa, that's cool.
So you had fun?
Yeah.
You want to come back next year?
Mhm.
Stay for 2 weeks? Instead of 1?
When we
Good. Well, cool. Glad y'all had fun.
Mhm.